Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to learn about Salesforce organization, the different types of Salesforce organization, and at the end, we are also going to create our own Salesforce org. So let's begin. So what is a Salesforce organization? Or in short term, Salesforce org, right? So a Salesforce organization is a dedicated instance of the Salesforce platform. So Salesforce organization in easy term we can say is an instance or a virtual space that is given to the Salesforce user so that in that virtual space or a dedicated instance he can manage data, he can create applications, he can create apps, in that he can create fields, objects. So in each of these org Salesforce provide them with a unique URL. We can also, and it will initially give a login credential for the administrator. Once the administrator gets Salesforce login, he can create multiple users. Okay, he can customize the app as he wants. Okay, so Salesforce org is just a instance or a virtual space that's given to the Salesforce user. Okay, so since we understood what a Salesforce organization is, let's understand how many types of instances we get, right? We get a production instance, or we call them as a production org. Okay, and we also have a development instance, or we call as development orgs. In the daily, when we start developing Salesforce applications, right? The development instances, we call them as sandboxes. Okay, so we will learn about that one. So what is a production instance? As it says, it's a production instance, right? Productions are they are designed for the live customers. Okay, so this is the final product of our development. So once we complete all our development, all the development things will be pushed into production, and those changes will be reflected to the end users. So so that is the reason we usually have our own development instances, and will not make changes directly in the production instances. Okay, so what are the different types of production instances we have, right? We have Essentials Edition, right? This is basically designed for small businesses. Okay, so they want to start their sales or service, they want to see the productivity, and they want to have their own application. They can go with Essentials um, org. Then there is a Starter org. So this will simplify the functionalities, like simplifies the business implementation, so that we will have onboarding tools that we can use so we can develop our application very fast. Then Pro Suite, okay, so this will have some administrator tools, some integrations, and it will also have some out of the box tools that are available to make their application our application very faster. Then comes Professional Edition. In Professional Edition, it is a fully fledged CRM functionality. It will have all the things that are required for a CRM functionality, like sales, service, right, and marketing. And it will also have tools to customize uh, our org. And Enterprise Edition, this is for the large and complex business. So we can do advanced customization and administration in this. In addition to all the functionalities, it also supports a large scale deployment. And then we have unlimited edition. Okay, so in unlimited edition we have a complete flexibility of managing and sharing all our information. So this gives us, and when we have cases, when we raise cases with Salesforce, we'll have unlimited support from Salesforce. They will give us first priority. And Developer Edition is a free edition that every Salesforce user can create himself to test new Salesforce functionalities. As there will be releases from Salesforce, we can test that out in the developer org and see how it works. Okay. So what are the different types of development instances or sandboxes? We call them as sandboxes. Okay. So what is a development? instances, right? Development instances are used for building and testing new features. So since we will not be directly making any changes in production, we will be using the development instances or the sandboxes to develop whatever the business required, and then we push it to UAT or the testing instance from there to production. So, and these are called sandboxes. In Salesforce, we have multiple sandboxes. We have full copy sandbox, we have partial copy sandbox, we have a developer pro org, we have a developer edition org, and a scratch org. Okay, full copy sandbox is a sandbox that is created from production that will have entire copy of metadata and data from production to the sandbox or development instance. So if you do not know what is metadata and data, you can go watch my previous video where I've completely explained about metadata and data. And a partial copy sandbox. Okay, partial copy sandbox is a sandbox that contains the partial copy of data, but it will have complete metadata, but a partial copy of data up to 5 GB of data it can have. Okay, Developer Pro org will not have data copied from production, only the metadata. Okay, and Developer Edition org is a org that we can create ourselves, right, from Salesforce, a free org. And Scratch org is something new that Salesforce introduced recently. A Scratch org is the org that has a validity. Okay, so by default, the Scratch org has, I think, 7 days of validity, but we can extend up to 30 days. So, and this Scratch org can be created from SFDX from a development tool like VS Code. From VS Code, we can create Scratch org, and we can push our changes first to Scratch org. Then we can verify our changes. Then automatically it's going to get deleted after 30 days or 7 days. Okay, depends on that. Now, now that we understood what is an org and the different types of org we have, let's understand how to create a org. Okay, so let's go to Chrome. And here in the URL, we need to enter developer.salesforce.com/signup. I'm going to put this URL in the video description so they can access from here. And in the first name, you can enter your first name and last name here, and then email address. Okay, and your job role. You can type any whatever your job role is, and a company name. Okay, you can enter your own company name. I'm not working in Salesforce, so you can put any company name. And the country, you need to choose your country, state. Currently, I'm in Bangalore, so I'll put the Bangalore pin code and the username. Okay, you need to put and the username should be in the format of email address. Okay, it can be anything, but it should have a .com and @. So I have used Salesforce. This can be test, or it can be demo, it can be anything. Okay, it can be anything. And once you need to click on agree and then sign me up. Okay, so I've already created a account with this username. Let me add one to this and sign me up. So once you click sign me up, it's going to take some time and it's going to send you a verification code. Okay, verification link. Sorry, not a verification code, a verification link to your email address, and you need to click on that. Once you click on that, it's going to take you to the Salesforce org. So let's wait for that. See, almost there. Please check your email to verify account. So it has already sent a verification link. So let's go back to our email. Let's check if we have got our verification link. So it will take some time to appear. So let's wait. So guys, here is the email you get from developer@salesforce.com. Welcome to Salesforce Verify account. Click on this, then click on Verify account. So once you click on Verify account, so just to wait for this page to get refreshed. So let's wait. So let's close this. Let's click on verify account. Yes. So it will ask for a password. Okay. You can set your own password. Now, please remember the username password. Okay, because in future this will help you to reset your password. So yeah, you can remember this. Okay. Yes. So here currently in a Salesforce org. So this is a developer org. Okay. And as you can see, there are a lot of tabs. You can see there are user profile icon, notification icon. We will learn about each of this in the upcoming videos. So stay tuned. So guys, I hope you like my video. Please subscribe, like and share this video. And also if you have any question, please do comment. And in also in the upcoming videos, I'm going to also bring up uh, more more things. So I'll also post few job openings. I know how difficult it's for the freshers to get a job in Salesforce. If there is any openings for the freshers, if there is an internship. Recently in my company there was an internship that got opened for Salesforce. So any people from BCA or engineering background, they were able to have an internship, and they used to bring a trainer on Salesforce and train them. So that is currently closed. So I will try to bring those type of openings or anything, so that people will be so that the Salesforce beginner can get a job. And also I'm going to post if there are any Salesforce certifications, vouchers available. I'm also going to put those. So stay tuned guys. Um, and also please do subscribe to my channel. It will help me to bring more videos. Thank you.